Pallavi Srivastav. I am center head and infertility expert at Seeds of Innocence IVF Center, Haldwani. Today, I'll talk about a very favorite topic of mine, that is PCOS. PCOS is so common that every 1 in 5 adolescent girls is suffering from PCOS. But the best part is, it is treatable and easily manageable with some basic lifestyle modifications. It can present in two forms. 90% of the times, it is present in overweight females, but 10% of the times, even if you are lean, that is thin, you can have PCOS. And the root cause of it is metabolic dysfunction and hormonal imbalance that arises because of your obesity and visceral fat around your organs. So what can we do to control it? सबसे पहले हमें अपना वेट कंट्रोल करना है. हमारा वेट हमारी हाइट के अकॉर्डिंग होना चाहिए. हमारा BMI 19 से 25 के बीच में फॉल करना चाहिए. हमें न्यूट्रिशियस और बैलेंस डाइट लेनी है, जंक फूड को बिल्कुल अवॉइड करना है और एक्सरसाइज को अपनी रूटीन में शामिल करना है. It can present differently in different stages of your life. Like in adolescence, you can have weight gain, irregular cycles, and hirsutism. Hirsutism is increased facial hair or increased hair all over your body. And after marriage, you can face infertility because of irregular cycles. Later life, PCOS can develop into metabolic syndrome and in rare cases endometrial cancer. So, अगर हमें PCOS है तो हमें करना क्या है? अगर हमारी साइकिल्स इरेगुलर हैं तो सिर्फ OCP लेना ही एक सोल्यूशन नहीं है. अगर हम हर दूसरे या तीसरे महीने भी विड्रॉल ब्लीड करवा सकते हैं तो दैट इज इनफ. हमें हर साइकिल में पीरियड्स होना है, दैट इज नॉट दैट इम्पोर्टेंट. वी कैन चेक एंडोमेट्रियल कैंसर इवन इफ वी हैव ब्लीडिंग एवरी सेकंड और थर्ड मंथ. If you are facing hirsutism, then OCPs can be a good choice, but along with OCPs, it's always better to add an anti-androgen. You can also try topical creams like eflornithine, or some also prefer laser, and that is totally up to your choice. But if you are taking OCPs, it's always better to add anti-androgens like spironolactone or aldactone. And after marriage, if you are facing infertility due to your irregular cycles, then it's very easy for us to treat you because it's the easiest infertility cause to treat. We can just give you ovulation induction drugs that will cause you ovulation, and then you can do timed intercourse and you can become pregnant very easily. So it's easiest infertility to treat. सिर्फ यही इनफर्टिलिटी का कॉज है जो दवाइयों से ट्रीट किया जा सकता है. इसके अलावा कोई भी कॉज इनफर्टिलिटी का दवाइयों की सहायता से ट्रीट नहीं किया जा सकता. Now, if you have been careful enough throughout your life with all these precautions, you have minimal chances of developing metabolic syndrome or endometrial cancer in later life. So, for any other queries, you can contact us at the given number.
Seeds of Innocence IVF, India's most trusted IVF center.